In this video, we'll see the last little bit of our cruise from Seward southbound into Vancouver. This is the morning of the final day. In fact, this is really early in the morning. We're in the cabin packing, and I put the camera on to record. You're going to want to stay to the end of this video. At the very end, I have something very unique that happens in Vancouver. It was the only one of its kind I've ever seen anywhere. I did speed this video up. We're running about 2.5 times as fast as the ship was actually moving. And you get a feel even at this speed of how serene this trip was. It was just amazing. This is the only place I would ever spend money for a balcony, and as you can see as the video, the scenery is just gradually changing as we move along.
Welcome to Traveling with a Chair. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds, and on this channel I help people travel more, spend less, and I provide information that's helpful to those that travel with a disability.
So as you see, the shoreline's receded quite a bit. We're out in the middle of a bay here. And I've got this video sped up 7 times as we're cruising along in here to get as we're going toward Vancouver. Again, and you can look at the water and see how calm it is. You can see the sun's now quite a bit higher in the sky. The day had gotten more cloudy. In just a minute, we're going to wind up. I've got some video from the footage at the pier in Vancouver. And then, like I said, right at the very end, there's a really interesting feature in Gastown in Vancouver. This was an amazing cruise the whole time. Most of the cruise, our water was like this. We were cruising right at the end of May, and it was just amazing being able to go in and enjoy the scenery and enjoy the trip. It was so much fun. Now we're at the pier in Vancouver, and you'll see a seaplane come in over to the left. It's fairly small. You'll see it right as it lands. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what the harbor in Vancouver is like. This is we're now tied up at the dock, looking at the harbor, and it's a very busy place. There were seaplanes coming and going all the time. Helicopters. You can see the cruise ship over here on the right, the small one pulling in, and just in general, you get to see what an amazing place it was to visit. We enjoyed our day in Vancouver very much. In this next little segment, it's the piece I was telling you wanted to wait for. This is a steam clock in Gastown in Vancouver, and I had never seen anything like it. I didn't realize the impact of photographing it vertically would have on the film, but I didn't want to cut it off and make it look any different.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.